Hello children. Today we will learn two sounds. Okay? The sound of V and the sound of W. Okay? V and W. V and W. Okay? So the sound of V. The sound of V is V. 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 Teeth and lips. V. 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 Van. V. Virus. V. Very, very, very good. V. Van. V. Van. V. Virus. V. Very, very good. Okay. Now the sound of W. Now the sound of W is ooh. Circle your mouth. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Wall. Wall. Watch. 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 I don't have a watch. I have to wear one. Okay. Watch. And whistle. 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 Okay. Wall. Watch. Watch. Whistle. Okay. So the difference between the two sounds, दोनों हम सोचते हैं कि वही है, वह वॉच है, वह वैन है. नो, व एंड ऊ, व एंड ऊ, wall, watch, whistle. Okay. Van, virus, very. Okay. So these are the two sounds. Goodbye now.